Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to set up two-step checkout payouts on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify store. After logging into your Shopify store, go to your Shopify admin page. Now search for payments. After searching for payments, a drop-down will appear. Now click on additional payment method. After clicking on additional payment method, click add payment methods. Now search in search bar to checkout and click. Now click on the activate button and then click on the manage button. After this, install the app. Now link to checkout account requires some information. For that, click here. Now copy merchant code and secret code and paste it here. Now click update settings. After that, click on activate to checkout converter. And there you have setup of to checkout payout on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.